to another Theme Park Jake video, and today it's a brand new series where we're going to be showing off people's creations from the Frontier Workshop here on Planet Coaster. And today we're going to be starting off with this creation, which is Falcon. And I'm so sorry if I'm going to pronounce your name wrong, but is it Ramon van de Berg? And yes, basically I'm going to be showing off people's creations. If you want your creations to be shown, please DM me on Instagram or message us on Facebook and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, we're going to be showing off people's creations. So yes, let's get into this then. So we've got this sign here which says Falcon, and it's all dug into like this little like bush and rock rock formation. It looks really good. I've got to say, this looks fantastic. They've done such a fantastic job on this. And each one of these, like, are these like, oh god, are these like individual things? Oh no, it's an actual fence you can place. That's cool. And then we've got like all paths around here, and then we got fast pass and standard standard, which is that's quite cool with like the queue times on. Let's cross the water bridge here, and then round the queue. It's got soundtrack everywhere. Can I just say that? It's got soundtrack everywhere. You can hear the ride roar in the background. Got a bit of a queue cattle pen in here. Then we're going to come round here, and then through this queue. This is amazing. It's a fantastic queue line. And then we come up the stairs here, and into the station. This station looks absolutely fantastic. Can I just say that? And yeah, look, wow, we've got those like a movable item there, and this just looks amazing in here. Can I just say that? It just looks absolutely fantastic. Like each one of those pieces, I think I've placed individually. Got all the lights in the roof. We'll have a look at this at night time later on, but we've got a train coming into the station now. So yes, let's get onto this train. So off we go. And off we launch, and off we go, and let's go. Block section straight into the second launch, and off we go. That was really good. I really enjoyed the layout of that. Fantastically uses the terrain and what it has around it. And yeah, let's go into the station. There we go. And there we go. There is that ride. Honestly, that was such a great ride, I tell you that. But let's have a quick look around the theming before we have another ride on it at night time. But yeah, we've got like this tunnel here, which looks really nice. And there's audio everywhere around this. Can I just say that? There's the audio every single part. I think we've got a staff room around here, haven't we? Yeah, staff room. Yeah, then we got the coaster going around there. We've got some staff. There's no guests in the park, so there's no really point for them. But yeah, this is amazingly themed. I love how the audio speakers are blended into the what's called the poles around. We've got the coaster just flying above. Fantastic. I'm sorry if I haven't placed any paths in the right place. I am so sorry. But yes, let's go up and have a look above all of this. Wow, this is amazing. So it just looks so good, and it's weird. It's so cool that like each one of these are individually placed things, but they've been turned into one building. But they're so cool. Are these actually individually placed? Are these like placeable item things? Are these like the frameworks? Oh, that's cool. That is. That's quite cool, to be honest. That is quite cool. But yeah, that is really, really cool, to be honest. Let's have another ride on it. Let's just pause it for a moment, change it to night time, and have a quick ride on this at night time. On the opposite side, let's get onto this. There we go. Let's get on the train. It's just about to launch and go on seat 4 and go on the other side. There we go. Let's have another ride on it. And off we launch. That is a fantastic creation. Honestly, the night time on that is really, really good, and it just looks amazing. But yes, there we go. That is Falcon, and if you want to download this, the name of the creation and the content creator will be in the description down below, and you'll be able to download this creation and get to experience Falcon. Really, really great creation, and I hope you all go and download this amazing creation. So yes, but yes, if you'd like to see more content like this, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.